guys, it's Sophia, your guide to AppMaster.io. Let's go! Today we'll make an exciting application. It will not have a database. It will not even have a web interface for managing the application. However, this application will work anonymously and perform its function. I want to use Telegram Messenger every morning at 7 a.m. The messenger will wake me up by sending me a message. This message will contain information. For example, I want to get the current Bitcoin price and the current weather in London. Let's do that. First, let's install the Telegram module. Done. The module is installed but not configured. We need to configure it. To do this, we need to specify the bot token. Let's get it. I have already started the conversation with botfather. I need to create a new bot. We send the new bot command and it asks how we will name it. The name is not important, so let's call it alarm. Now we are offered to create a bot username. Let's call it AppMaster Alarm Bot, not to repeat ourselves. Great, the bot is created. We can see the list of our bots. Here's my bot. I'm giving the start command to activate it. I'm taking this token and posting it here. Done. The module is configured. By the way, I have already done the preparatory work. I have already created requests to external API source in other videos, and you can see them. Right now, one is getting the Bitcoin rate and the other one is getting the weather forecast. We can see the business processes. We get a request and response. In this response, we take the field we need. Bitcoin price, the same as the weather. The only difference is that we get data in a numerical form here, and we need to translate this into a string value because we'll send the text message. Okay, now we send both the current temperature and the wind speed. Let's create the business process, call it Telegram Alarm. First, we need to get information about the created business process. Here are the business processes and the information that we get. Bitcoin, wind, temperature, and so on. Next step, we need to send the information using Telegram. We installed the Telegram module and we have the needed block. We can send this message. Let's start creating the program from the end. We need the text itself. We need the text we want to send and specify the recipient. Please pay attention that our recipient is not a name or a phone number, it's a specific ID. We can find ID using Telegram bot. Let's create a message. The message will be formed into several lines. Let's use the concat string multiple block. String will be a short message in a single line. We need to format several lines, so let's use the text variable. Let's set this variable. We should set the variable for it one line wrapping, then we need to modify it to string. We write the text that we want to send. We combine several segments into one big message. Let's go to a new line. Write down information about Bitcoin. We'll send the information that we got from an external API. Next line. Weather in London. Temperature. Next line. Wind speed. Done. Now we want to organize this a little bit. It is not programming. We don't need to write code. We quickly make applications using blocks. And almost everything is done. Let's use the schedule and create a new task. We select the business process that we just created, specify the desired schedule. For example, send every day at 7 a.m. We'll remove the mark about forced quit if not completed. Done. I suggest not to wait until 7 a.m. and see the results right now. To do this, I'm quickly creating an endpoint using the post method. Let's call it alarm. We use the same business process. We'll remove the requests for authentic reasons because we'll use them for testing. If we did everything right, then now we should receive a message. We're waiting. As you can see, we've received a notification. Oops, I forgot to include the line that this is the weather in London. We see that there are 2 degrees, a little mistake. But later I can easily correct it. Every morning at 7 AM we'll receive a message. That's all for today. See you all next time.